Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. Now in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply transfer your BNB from Binance to KuCoin. And in order to do this, it's really simple. You're going to need a Binance account. And if you do not have a Binance account, by simply using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot or the funding, depending on where your assets are stored. Click on the BNB, select the withdrawal option, send via a crypto network, and now you're going to be taken to the Send BNB menu, where you simply minimize and open up your KuCoin. Now with KuCoin opened up, it's a really simple process over here. Click on the deposit option. And once you've selected the deposit option, simply type in BNB and select the Binance Chain Native token, and then select the network you wish to receive your crypto in, which is the BEP20. Select the BEP20. Once you've selected the BEP20, copy this address. And once you've copied, minimize and open up your Binance once more, paste the address there, and the network is entered automatically. Send the minimum and simply click on the withdrawal option. By doing this, the withdrawal will be made and it would be reflected in your KuCoin, which you could then confirm on KuCoin by heading over to the wallets, to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once at the assets menu, simply reload and boom, the BNB is made available. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.